Main topic. What is it mostly about? For this activity, you are going to first put your name at the top of your paper, and the directions say, read the text below. What was the text mostly about? Circle the main topic of the text. Bonus, can you circle the caption on this page? Okay, so I'm going to read you this text right here, and then you are going to decide what was the main topic of the text. Remember, the main topic is what the text was mostly about. So let's listen. Wetland food. There is plenty of food to eat in wetlands. Some wetland animals eat mainly plants. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Rabbits are herbivores. They eat grasses, flowers, and weeds. Most wading birds are carnivores, or animals that eat other animals. Wading birds eat fish, clams, frogs, and small reptiles. This bunny rabbit can find plenty of grass and small plants to eat. So the main topic of the text was A. Rabbits, B. Wading birds eat fish, or C. Wetland food. So you guys need to make sure that if you don't know, go back and listen to this one more time. Just slide the little thing back and listen to it again. You need to tell me what was the main topic. What was it mostly about? This whole thing was all about one of these. And then your bonus, don't forget, with your pencil, circle a caption you see on this page. Good luck!